have seen scenarios in this country whereby people go to schools and hone teachers in a very bad manner from their offices on the pretext that the results are poor. We want categorically to state here, candidly, that the Kenya National Union of Teachers condemns the acts being perpetrated by the parents and some politicians inciting the community to invade our schools.
Yes.
We are saying, in pragmatic words, that teachers do not produce results only. Results are got from so many stakeholders, including the community, the teachers, the sponsors, the children at large.
Yes.
We teachers, we do our work very diligently. So in a scenario whereby the results are not good or it's not pleasing to the community, there is no need to invade our schools. Better go to schools with board of governors, with all the stakeholders, the sponsors of each and respectable school, and discuss the way forward, how to make best of that particular school happen.
Na ripoti hiyo Kiama Arutani